Hello guys, this is Jado, your newbie runner in Japan. Come with me and let's run. Hello everyone, I'm attempting to go on Shibuya. Go. To run pala. Run Shibuya with my backpack. So, it's 25 km. It's 6:30 PM. So, makarating tayo ng 8 PM siguro. So although 1 kilometer warm up run, let's go. Look at my face, my freshness before the disaster happened. Alright, let's go. So started run. This is our first 100 meters. So I'm running this what we call the cycling road. This is cycling road from here about 10 kilometers straight going up to Inokashira or Ogikubo. Let's go. I'm running right now at 6 minutes pace. Yeah. Right. A 1 minute break. It's 5 kilometers done. 20 kilometers more to go. Let's go. I'm in Kodaira. So it's 11 kilometers. So I watched fireworks there. So let's go back to run. 11 kilometers. 14 km to go. Shibuya, here I go. Here I come pala. I can feel the pain in my fucking feet, alright, and knees. Oh, not that so much pain. Here I go. So back to